So it's another day of Geoguessr and another day of the daily challenge. We're going to start off in the UAE. I'm pretty sure this is the UAE. This is probably Sharjah. Um, Judging by looks of it, UAE loves this giant signs everywhere. Compared to places like Jordan, let's figure out where we are. Western coast. Western coast? No, everywhere is a western coast in the UAE. El Equistar Road. But yeah, I don't know why, but Geoguessr likes to go with Sharjah quite a lot. So I think that could be where we are. We have a sign up ahead. This will tell us a lot. I think I've seen this intersection before. Have I? I feel like I've seen it before, this shape. Al Shagara, Al Yamuk, Al Kaisima. Al Shagara? No. Al Kasima is here. So yeah, I was right. And yeah, the intersection should be this one, I think. No, there's more. There's more than what there should be, but Al Yamuk, Al Manata. Oh wait, we should be this one then. Yeah, this looks about right. And yeah, we're heading southwest into the intersection. So what, we're somewhere around here. El Estical Road. That is good. Probably should not have gone this far, but gone back to spawn, but let's see. What? Munsha Al Mohammed. What is it? Jabba Al Abdullah. It's this one. And I'm going to say we're probably somewhere around here. Do we have a roundabout in this direction? Not quite. Wait. Two intersections. So we're past the roundabout. Oh, somewhere around here. Oh, okay. That was okay. Whoops. That didn't go too well. But there goes the 25k dream, but this is Israel. Somewhere southern Israel, I'd say. It's got a bit of a tropical vibe. I don't know whether it's like a wadi or something nearby, or whether we're somewhere where I don't think we are. Or we could be very far south in like Aqaba or somewhere. Not Aqaba, Eliat. Mixed it up with the Jordanian equivalent. But it's very much a case of just going forwards to see if we can find some sort of sign. Yellow plates is usually Israel. Well, yellow plates but plus desert is always Israel. Usually the Geoguessr coverage for Israel is very much biased towards the Negev desert to the south. I don't really understand why, but it is what it is. I'm actually wondering if this could be on the Palestinian side. So this could be the West Bank. There is Arabic here. So this could be like West Bank somewhere. Yeah, we're not really finding any signs, but it's definitely on the West Bank side, so somewhere around here. You almost never see Arabic in Israel itself. Yeah, I think heading north is not going to be a good exercise. Let's try heading south. Oh, this looks even more grim. This might tell us something. US aid, Al Zubair. Yeah, gift for the Palestinian people from USA. In the Jordan Valley under Japan's grant. What the hell is going on here? Where? We're definitely Israel, are we? Yeah, it's. Oh, I can't really see the car, but no way it isn't. Our Zubadat and Jordan Valley. How does that work? People of Japan. Zubadat? Zubadat, maybe? That's probably our best shot. That was a good one as well. So that was, yeah, 5k. Seems like there's multiple spellings of the same town, which isn't too unusual in Arabic-speaking countries. I don't know why, but it's a very bad thing in Tunisia, at least bad for Geoguessr, because the spelling of the towns varies a lot. And this looks to be Israel again. We have some Hebrew once again, whereas this time inside a town. And I don't really like Israeli towns because there's usually not many Latin alphabet signs. It's usually all in Hebrew, which I do not have a chance of learning how to read. It's like an ancient language or something. So let's try to figure out where we are. If possible, trying to find a C could be a very good option. Is this a train station? No, it's not. Let's try to get onto that road over there. Can we get on? It's not like Japan where you can just warp onto random roads when you see them. How do we get onto that road? Okay, that's not good. We've wasted time in it. Hello? Can we get onto somewhere major? I know there's a main road over there. This is a no-through road as well, I think. Jesus, this place. Wow, okay. We're not going that way. Looking at the houses, maybe Jerusalem. Just putting it out there. I don't see any tall buildings which are forbidden in Jerusalem for some reason. At the same time, I don't see any stone buildings either, which is usually a pretty big hallmark of Jerusalem. Why is this all in Hebrew? Tall buildings to the west. Okay, so this is definitely not Jerusalem. Worst case scenario, we'll just plonk Tel Aviv, but I just want to find something which I can read. Something which gives us a clue. I can't read any of this. Please be something readable. To all Israel. That helps. When in doubt, Tel Aviv. But I'll also see some elevation changes. I'm thinking it could actually be further to the north, like Nazareth. Doesn't look like Nazareth at all, but I'm going to say a bit further north, I guess. I don't know. This area, I'm pretty sure, is fairly flat. It can't be Jerusalem because we have tall buildings. Haifa? I'm not brave enough to go up there. And no, we were in Ashkelon. I think that's the second time we were in Ashkelon as well. We've been in there before about a week or two ago. This is America or Canada. Leaning towards Canada. Is that French? Well, it says Canada there, but yeah, it's also French. Oh, a sign. Doesn't tell us much. No front plates, which tells us it's Quebec or New Brunswick. Murdochville, Pierce, Chandler. These towns look very far away, so I reckon we can spot them out. Murdoch, Chandler. Murdochville, Pierce, and Chandler. Let's try looking the other direction. What towns in that direction? We have some sort of bay thing. We have a bridge. It's actually quite promising. Murdochville, Chandler. $198 and $152. We have in, I think that's just generic Canada. I think we can rule out this area. Newfoundland, Labrador, no chance. Saint Anne des Monts. Is to the northeast. Pierce, Chandler. Oh, right, we're here. And I'm pretty sure we came out this road here. So Jacques Cartier, which is quite visible. And I think that's enough to pinpoint. That was good. Vienna Insurance Group, which tells us we're probably not in Vienna. I've seen these all around Europe. This looks very Estonian. Sorry, not Lithuanian, Estonian. Which way are we going to go? I'm going to find a sign. There's not many towns in Estonia. Viljandi. I feel like I've heard of that place before. Pärnu and Tallinn. So Pärnu is here, Tallinn is here. We must be somewhere in between, closer to Pärnu. There's not really any towns in this area. It could be like further on this side. Vandra, somewhere around here. Pärnu and Tallinn. I think we could find a sign going out of town. That probably would be the best option. Let's see if we can find the edge of town. This is actually quite a significant sized town. So I reckon we can probably figure out where the edge is. What does it say? Potsama, Kolgajani. Potsama is... Surely we can see it somewhere on the map. Potsama is here, which means that we must be somewhere around here. Sorry, yeah. Potsama, Kolgajani. No, we're closer to there. Oh, wait, Viljandi. That is here. And let's find... This is like literally in the middle of town. Centrum, Forum Cinema, Swedbank. Okay, Centrum is here, so it must be here. And we've been closer so far. So 24,790, not a bad result. This Israel one didn't go well at all, and a little bit of sloppy pinpointing on Dubai. I think this should put us somewhere near the top. We're second at the moment. I don't expect to stay up there. I reckon lots of people are going to do pretty well today. But yeah, overall, pretty solid result, all things considered.